Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can figure out what's going on with your outlet once it has stopped working. And so we're going to go ahead and jump into the number 1 option. As you can see, this right here is in my own home. You can see what's going on. This is a GFI or GFCI outlet. And one of the easiest things you can do if this outlet has stopped working, it's its own kind of circuit breaker. And so what you can look at right here, if this button is protruding or if it's not working, the first thing you need to try is just to reset your outlet. And you can push this reset button. And if it clicks, that means it has been reset and it should be good to go for your first option. And we're going to go ahead and jump into option 2. Option number 2, what you'll do is come downstairs and find your circuit breaker. It's going to look something like this. Just open it right up and look over here on this side. It has your directory or your key, what you're looking for, and what you find whichever room that the breaker is not working or the outlet's not working. And then you'll come over here to the other side and you'll find that number that you're looking for, number 6 for me, and you'll see this is actually off. So that means that outlet had tripped the breaker. So all you have to do is just turn it right back over. That means you've turned it back on. It should be working, but you do need to be careful not to try to trip it or reset it. Maybe you had too many things plugged in and need to be really careful when you do that and when you actually start going back to use it again. And so we're going to go ahead and jump in to option number 3. For our third option, I wanted to show you a situation that I've seen before. This is our bathroom upstairs. As you can tell, this outlet is not a GFI outlet, and so when it had stopped working, what I did is I went down to the basement, checked out the circuit breaker, and saw that none of those things were tripped. And so I decided, what do I need to look for next? And then I remembered that some of these outlets are actually on the same circuit as other rooms. So I went and looked around. There's no GFI outlets around here, but I remembered that this circuit could be on the same circuit as our bathroom downstairs. And as you remember from option number 1, it has a GFI. And so I reset that and it came back upstairs, and that was actually the problem. So what you might need to do in your own room is look around other GFI outlets in the same room or right around here, or maybe even the same bathroom circuit. Maybe it's downstairs, maybe in another bathroom. That could be the culprit that has stopped this outlet from working. So hopefully this video was helpful for you today. If it was, I would love to know in the comments which one of these options actually worked for you. And if this was helpful, I'd love for you guys to subscribe and even like the channel for more videos like this.